महत्वाचे म्हणजे ज्या जनतेन आमचे सगळ्यांचेर विश्वास दवरला अशी ही जनता म्हणजे तुम्ही सगळे तुमचे सगळ्यांचे आयज अभिनंदन करचे दिसता कारण तुमच्या उतराक लागून तुमच्या डिमांडाक लागून ह्या जमून येयला हेका कोण कारण मिलिंद करता किंवा शेखर करता संजय करता हे आसना तुम्ही तुमचे डिमांड घातले आमकां जिखून दिले आमचे कडल्यान काम करून मागले ते काम आमी केले आयज सगळ्यात महत्वाचे काम म्हणजे आनी खंयचेय जरी एका जर फाटी उरत जाल्यार म्हाज्या पद्दतीन म्हाका हांव चिंतता त्या प्रमाणे मनशाक एक उदक लायट सिवरेज सिस्टम गार्बेज आणि रस्ते हे 4-5 आयटम महत्वाचे असतात हे सगळ्यांचेर आमी लक्ष घातलेलो आणि तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी आयज पर्यंत दिल्ले सहकार्य ह्या सहकार्याक लागून हे काम फुडें वचत आसा.
It is hopeful that PWD will supply almost say 120 liters per day to every consumer. Yeah, 120 liters per day minimum, whereas norms in all India level is 125. Minimum 250 also we supply. I know that only 68 to 75 MLD water is supplied to Marmugava Taluka. That is the problem because what we are facing for old discharge pipeline which was laid during the original project and it is in dilapidated condition. If we increase the pressure for this particular line, then pipeline gets break. And that is the reason we have also started under JICA 1000 mm dia pipeline which starts from Verna ends at Sada. As per my knowledge, as on today, we have completed the pipeline up to Dhavlikar, and another 6 kilometer pipeline has to be completed in these 2 months, which I will see that it will be completed by November. There are some hindrances of this pipeline, which is also we will sort out within 1 month. Already work is started. I am proud to say whatever your MLA from Marmugava constituency, which he has assured the people that he will complete all the work. We have started. The completion will be in